Welcome back, everybody. Today I'm going to teach you how to create a new private repository on Bitbucket. This is essential if you're looking to store your code securely while collaborating with a select team, keeping everything within your control and away from public view. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to bitbucket.org. Once the page loads, you'll need to sign in using your credentials. Go ahead and enter those details to access your account. This step ensures you're working within your own workspace where you can manage all your repositories. After logging in, look towards the top of the page where you'll find a button labeled +Create. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear with several options. From this menu, select Repository. This action kicks off the repository creation process and takes you to the setup page where you'll configure all the necessary details. Now navigate to the project section. You'll see a drop-down menu right beside it. Click on this drop-down to reveal your available projects. Here you have two choices. You can either select an existing project that's already set to private, or if you prefer to keep things organized differently, click on Create New Project. This flexibility allows you to structure your work exactly how you need it. If you chose to create a new project, you'll need to type in the project name in the field provided. Make sure this name is clear and relevant to the work you're doing, as it helps with organization down the line. Next, move to the repository name field and enter the name for your repository. This name should be descriptive enough that anyone on your team can immediately understand what the repository contains or what it's used for. Now comes a critical step. Navigate to the access level section and make sure to check the box beside private repository. This setting is what ensures your code remains secure and accessible only to those you explicitly grant permission to. Without this box checked, your repository would be public by default, which isn't what we want here. After that, navigate to the default branch name field. Here you'll type your preferred name for the main branch. For example, you might use main as the default branch name. This is the primary branch where your code will live and where most development activity will take place. Finally, once all your settings are configured and you've double-checked that everything looks correct, click on Create Repository. Bitbucket will process your request and set up your new private repository. Within moments, you'll have a secure space ready for your code, complete with all the privacy settings you need. And that's it. You've successfully created a new private repository on Bitbucket, giving you a secure foundation to start building and collaborating on your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.